At Samsung, we believe there's amazing potential in foldable technology. In our third generation of foldables, Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 are our most advanced yet. They bring together our latest innovations in display, camera, and design with improved durability inside and out. But really, at the end of the day, foldables are about redefining what people expect from a smartphone. So we're working together with Google and the Android platform, and we've created powerful mobile experiences you can truly only get on a foldable device. For example, with Fold 3, you can unfold to a 7.6-inch screen for watching YouTube videos, or take multitasking to the next level by opening 3 apps at once. Or with Flip 3, you can use it in flex mode, in video chat hands-free with Google Duo. And you can do it all in a device that folds and fits in your pocket.
Android has been focused on getting foldables ready for the mainstream, which requires solving complex technical challenges within the operating system. The app experience is absolutely critical, so we've been working closely with app developers to create an app ecosystem that showcases the best of foldables. We've also added framework to support apps that may not quite be ready, and made adjustments to some of your favorite Google apps for foldable phones. We also recognized that innovation on foldables was happening faster than the yearly OS releases. To make sure that we could keep up with the different screen configurations, we created standard APIs that developers could use across all foldable devices. And we made sure we could deploy new software updates to these APIs in as little as 6 weeks, so our partners have up-to-date software on a more frequent cadence. Android's open source platform has been a huge advantage in implementing these changes, and the improvements we're making seamlessly support even larger screens like tablets, so the whole ecosystem benefits from these changes.
People are starting to see just how much easier and enjoyable daily activities can be with foldables. Our foldable users love the unique design, the flexibility of their large screen, and the ability to multitask in entirely new ways. Our partnership with Google and the Android platform is a great example of our core philosophy, that open collaboration makes for the best user experiences. Together, we're focused on creating the most powerful, seamless mobile experiences that unfold even more possibilities for our users.